Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this pretty 1972 Triumph GT-6 Mark III Sports Coupe. Real pretty car. It's finished in this real vibrant bluish metallic, really eye-catching. Navy blue trim that's in lovely condition. We purchased this car recently from Texas. It had been sitting a little while, and it had a good little restoration done to it cosmetically 3-4 years ago. You know, very decent paint. Interior on the car is lovely. I'll show you it right now. So that's all done in navy blue, so seats are beautiful, never been used. Dash is real decent. Headliner was all done, but real nice job on the carpets and the door panels. I'll show you back in here in the hatch area. This is quite nice. This has all been carpeted correctly and real pretty here. So the headliner's in great shape. All that's tucked up nicely in the corners. Everything's carpeted correctly. So yeah, they did a really good job on the upholstery. Paintwork is nice. Paintwork is nice. Sort of a modest job. Wasn't, you know, top quality, but for a GT6, you know, very nice car. Tires are new. I believe the engine may be rebuilt. I'll show you the engine compartment. It's quite clean and impressive. The car is completely rust-free. I did notice from the undercarriage that there is a couple small floor repairs, which is typical. But the engine's beautifully detailed, as you can see it here. Let me just put this stay rod up here. So the engine, you know, it's almost like powder coated. It's beautiful. Everything's real clean. Engine runs great. Has a lot of power. I just took it for a test drive. It's got a high torque starter fitted. We do have the air cleaner. We just took it off because we were playing with some carburetor tuning, but starts up fairly nicely. Lots and lots of power. One thing I did notice driving the car is the gearbox is a little noisy. Shifts fine, but it sort of had some bearing noise. And also the gear stick is real sloppy. So it was kind of difficult to get it precisely into each gear, but still, I was still able to take it for a good little drive there. So, but yeah, body on this car is really attractive. Chrome's decent. Badging's nice. These are very fun cars. I mean, it's a very stylish 2-seater sports coupe with a 2-liter high-revving 6-cylinder engine, and these things are just a ton of fun out on the road. I mean, in the last 5 years, this model's really caught on, and they're pretty well sought after right now. It's fitted with the late style GT6 wheels, which is nice. But yeah, the styling's really nice. How they wrap the roof line down into the new modern tail light back end on the Mark III, the GT3. They really improved the suspension on this car over the older, earlier models. You know, another little improvement this car could have is maybe they did a great job on the interior, but you know, maybe the wood dash could. It's decent, but probably wood dash could be renewed. Dash top pad's beautiful. Windshield is in great condition. So. But yeah, real attractive, very vibrant, pretty color scheme on navy blue interior. They also did door seals there, so the doors shut nicely. All the rubber around the windows are good. That's in great condition. So yeah, mechanically needs a little bit of sorting out. Brakes are good, suspension's good, engine's great. But like I said, I would just probably look into that transmission. It may need a rebuild, which is pretty straightforward and simple. But I did notice some bearing noise driving it along the road. It may be time just for a refresher of bearings and synchros. And that gear stick was a little sloppy, but undercarriage on this car looks good. The exhaust system's great. Engine sounds good. you can see me driving it around preceding this walk around video. But overall, a real attractive little Triumph GT-6 Mark III sports coupe. It's finished in this this custom sort of vibrant navy blue metallic with matching navy blue interior, and these cars are really on the move in the affordable market here. They're tough. It's tough to find a good one, and with a little bit of mechanical sorting and playing around, this car will be fantastic out on the road. It has been sitting a few years. We just got it running and driving, but it seems to behave pretty well for what it is. And it's for sale right now on our website at www.kurttannermotorcars.com.